Nananom, distinguished sons and daughters of Asanteman, and cherished viewers of Kwadwo Safo Studios. Before we begin with this important message to the King of Ashanti Kingdom, Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, I humbly ask that you subscribe to the channel. You like this video, please share it and leave your comment so we can continue spreading this national message of innovation, hope, and Ghanaian pride. Today, I deliver a message of great honor, profound respect, and deep national purpose. This is my second message to His Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, King of the Ashanti Kingdom, a global icon of leadership, culture, wisdom, and influence. Just as I did in my previous address, I come today with humility, but also with conviction, because this message is not about a product. It is about Ghana. It is about African innovation. It is about the future of our children. And it is about the legacy of leadership that Otumfuo continues to embody for generations. His Royal Majesty, your leadership has consistently shaped Ghana's educational development, health advancement, unity, and national progress. You are the gold standard of modern African royalty, a symbol of transformation that extends far beyond Asanteman. Throughout history, when kings supported crafts, industries, and innovations, those nations rose and remained strong for centuries. Your voice is unquestionable. Your endorsement is powerful. Your influence moves nations. That is why I come to you once again with this message, not only as a patriotic citizen, but as someone who deeply believes in the national miracle we call Kantanka Automobile. Your Royal Majesty, today I present our fleet of vehicles that we have available at the Kantanka Automobile Company. Your Majesty, the first car is the Kantanka Onantefo, the Royal 7-seater SUV. Your Majesty, imagine a vehicle worthy of carrying a king. The Onantefo is built with royal grade luxury leather interior, intelligent driving modes, eco, sport, normal, snow. It has a full 360 surround view system. It also comes with premium 2.0T GDI high performance engine, advanced safety protection systems. Your Royal Majesty, this vehicle comes with a trip recorder, the general reverse voice in every Kantanka vehicle, just like what you are seeing. This is a vehicle that speaks presence, commands respect, and represents African excellence. It is fitting for the royal court, the Menchia Palace, and state functions. K71 PRO is the second vehicle that I would like to talk about. It is a modern SUV for modern leadership. The K71 PRO is designed with modern Ghanaian leader in mind. It has a 1.5 CVT engine, a sport mode for power and speed, panoramic sky screen or a screen, ultra comfortable seats, high ground clearance, excellent fuel efficiency, and also a back camera. It is elegant, it is safe, it is powerful, and ideal for royal duties across the kingdom. Omama Pickup Truck, power for the Ashanti economy. The Omama is built for the hard-working people of Ghana, strong, durable, and engineered for construction, mining, business operations, rural transport, and heavy-duty assignments. This is a pickup that can transform how Asanteman supports its workers and entrepreneurs. We also have the Kantanka Automobile Pickup Truck, strength where strength meets royal nobility. The Automobile carries its name with pride. It has a rugged suspension, tough chassis, reliable four-wheel drive performance. It is ideal for both urban and rural terrains. It is the workhorse Ghana has been waiting for, and it bears a name that fits the kingdom. Also, we have the Kantanka quad bike, the new era for farmers. Your Majesty, we have created a machine for the Ghanaian farmer. It has a 1.5 ton loading capacity, a four-wheel drive, handles forest, muddy areas, steep hills and rough terrains. Perfect for cocoa farmers, food producers and rural businesses. A single endorsement from you could transform agriculture in the Ashanti region forever. Why we need your influence, Your Majesty? Your Majesty. Today, almost every convoy that visits our prestigious institutions, including K71, arrives with fleets of foreign vehicles. But Ghana is no longer a country without alternatives. We have built our own. We have engineered quality. We have created jobs. We have achieved international level performance. All we need now is leadership that proudly stands with Ghanaian innovation. Your Majesty, when you speak, Ghana listens. When you act, Africa pays attention. When you endorse, the world follows. Your choice to ride in a Kantanka vehicle would 1. Boost Ghanaian confidence, 2. Influence government adoption, 3. Inspire private sector purchases, 4. Help create tens of thousands of jobs, and also 5. Strengthen the Ghanaian currency. Also, increase national manufacturing output, and last but not least, promote African technological sovereignty. This is bigger than a car. It is a statement of national destiny. Your Majesty, Kantanka is not simply a brand. It is our pride. It is our identity. It is our contribution to global technology. It is the future we owe our children. We humbly place these vehicles before you: the Kantanka Onantefo 7-seater SUV, the Kantanka K71 PRO, the Kantanka Omama Pickup Truck, the Kantanka Pickup Truck, and the Kantanka Boafo, also known as the Kantanka Boboya, and respectfully ask that you champion this Ghanaian vision. May your wisdom continue to guide our nation. May your leadership continue to inspire unity, and may your influence help elevate Kantanka to the global stage. Thank you, Your Majesty. May the Almighty God continue to bless you, Ashanti and Ghana at large. To anybody that watched this video, with all due respect, I would like to plead with you one more time to subscribe, hit the notification bell and get notified of every YouTube upload on Kantanka vehicles. Like, share, and also leave your comments for us to get to know what we are supposed to do and what we are supposed to know. Let us all prioritize in promoting Kantanka vehicles. These are not just any car, these are our cars. Thank you.